Lamb ready.
No. Wait until the kingfish. What, Ben? Kingfish's not even on. Hold up, please.
I've got lamb resting.
Yeah, I don't normally get flustered at all. I found it frustrating today.
I'm right in my element with decorating and making it look pretty. I'm just not used to such a compressed time to do it.
By the time I get finished in the kitchen, I've got about 25 minutes to set the restaurant, and that's 5 tables. It's not a long time.
You are cutting it fine, my dear.
Oh, yeah.
OK, food is one thing. What's going... Have you got a vision?
I have got a vision, yeah, definitely.
And normally I'm really matchy-matchy, so today I'm going all out. So I've got a bronze in there, I've got a green, I've left the white at the back. It's a little bit darker on those corners, and I want a bit of light in there for our guests.
Places, everyone.
When the guests start to arrive, I've literally just finished.
Welcome, Stu and Suki.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
All right, everyone, we've got Stu. He's from Woodpecker Hill. He's our amazing sous chef. And we've got Suki. She's from the Blueberries Inn, and she's our amazing pastry chef.
So they're foodies, they know what they're doing, they know what things are supposed to taste like.
Hello, hello. Are you with the blue or the red team today? Blue team. Let me introduce you to Hayley.
Thank you.
No problem.
Hello, I'm Hayley. I'll be your waitress for this evening.
I'm sort of like stumbling a bit because it's been a long time since I've had to seat people. Trying to remember everything. Would you like still and sparkling water?
Tuna tartar. I've never had that before. It'll be really interesting.
Oh, they need a drinks menu.
OK, guys, so incoming now, we've got Jane Leong from Madame Wu. She makes the most amazing curries, rendangs, that sort of thing. And also Corbus Klopper, who's from Ostro, OK?
OK, it's game time. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't worry about the fact that you're all hot and sweaty and panicking on the inside. Just present a calm exterior.
Can I take your coat for you?
Yes.
Come on, guys, push it home, push it home.
Next guest, guys, Robert Rakety and Anna Thomas from The Breeze incoming. Hopefully someone here to look after them.
How you doing?
Who's greeting them, guys? Wakey, wakey.
I don't know if they've been allocated different sides, so I just have to greet everyone as if they're mine.
Now, are you in the blue or the red side?
That's a really good question. We haven't been told yet.
Awesome, and you're on the blue!
Yay!
Everybody, this is Hayden Scott and Warren Ford. Hayden Scott is basically my shadow, OK?
Hey, everyone.
And Warren Scott runs the Federal Deli. He's front of house. What do you think?
Yeah.
They're getting there. Boy, they are... Well, I think we're as stressed out as they are.
Don't serve anything you're not happy with. Taste, taste, taste. Get someone to double-check it, OK? If you want me to have a taste, I'll have a taste.
Josh is, you know, he puts the old scary approach on sometimes, but actually, you know, at the end of the day, he's there to, you know, help you out 100%.
Ben, I'm just going to do a sample on one of these scallops. Lily, plates all ready?
I'm going to be the head chef today, and I'm just going to keep everybody going.
Rich, how they looking?
Some of the dry ones come up beautiful. The ones with the big yellow roe come up gorgeous.
20 portions of this.
Fantastic. That's what we like to hear.
Because the most important thing is that we get those dishes up and we get them out to the customers.
All right, welcome to the Blue Lotus. At the start, I'm pretty much a little bit flustered, but as soon as I get in it, I'm in my element. See, it was like it was already meant for ya. Here's your drink, here's your here's this. Keep working the room. Hey, that is totally fine.
Linda, you've got guests here.
Oh, God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, that's terrible. Welcome to Nala.
These people know food well. They know service well.
Boy, I'm getting nervous now. There are some special people in the restaurant.
You know, it's definitely not lacking in flavour, is it?
No. The spices are a little bit grainy, but if you had a bit of oil through that and maybe a little bit more citrus, I think it would come together. But I like the flavour and I love the chilli. What do you think, Sarah? What do you think of the dish?
I like it. I think it definitely tastes Indian.
I think it's a fresh little entree. I like it. Just one thing, where's the rice poppadoms?
The tuna entree is supposed to have a poppadom, but there's no time to make a poppadom.
Do you think Hayley should have, like, maybe told us about that?
Maybe she doesn't know.
We don't have a spare person to be making poppadoms, even though they only take a couple of seconds.
Right, moving on. Let's see what else Team Blue has put up.
This is their paneer sort of a coriander cream emulsion, which is a green emulsion underneath. Pickled lotus root, which you've got on top here. They are tasty little balls.
They're really good.
I really enjoy those, actually. And what I'd really like is a lot more of the
yogurt.
Coriander emulsion, the yogurt, the sauce. You want to be dipping them in there virtually, don't you?
I think it's a really smart little entree. It's seasoned really well. I'd be really happy with that.
It feels like they've taken street food and they've introduced it into a restaurant environment. It really is a mouthful of deliciousness.
Yeah, I like that. I like the pickle on the top as well.
It really brings it together, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think we've got a really modern Indian dish.
Morale check, guys. We got this.
Morale check.
All right, cool.
We're in a serious rhythm. This is a well-oiled machine now, and we're starting to work as a team so well.
Loud, guys, we're under the pump, but let's keep the pumps going.
Let's go. Come on. Fish will be about 2 minutes,
Richard,
all right?
Richard, jugs for you.
Thank you. Leo, make sure we've got enough. If we have to heat that up, we'll have to heat it up. Okay?
How are we going?
It's become apparent to me halfway through cooking this lamb that I'm probably cooking the wrong cut. Hey, guys, just a heads up, this lamb's becoming a bit more labour-intensive than I thought.
1 duck, 3 curries.
Mains start flying out. It's working like a well-oiled machine. You know, we're calling Hayley backwards and forwards. Service, service, ready to go.
Lamb ready. No. Wait until the kingfish. Wait, Ben, kingfish is not even on. Hold up, please.
I've got lamb resting.
I don't normally get flustered at all. I found it frustrating today.
What's happened to the other fish plate? Scallops are done. Here you go.
I need 4 side plates now.
Yes.
Glenda's feeling the heat, and she's reflecting that back on us.
Is that this table? Yes? Yes.
Thank you.
I feel really bad for her, but we're doing the best we can.
Samosa for you.
Thank you. I'm not getting much from the judges today. I feel like I'm neglecting them a wee bit.
Thank you.
But I'm really conscious that as soon as I start putting things down, they're talking amongst themselves, and I really don't want to interrupt that flow of conversation.
Right, let's tuck in. Let's go scallops first, eh, Josh?
Yeah. There you go, Joe. Right.
Well, I think the red team, Restaurant Lala, has put up, you know, quite a lovely, fresh sort of scallop dish. The scallops were well cooked. Didn't blow my mind, but it was nice.
Mayonnaise, whether it just dispersed, would have been nice to have a little bit more of that.
I agree with all of that. I liked the fried shallots on the top as well.
Let's see what the red team's doing with their samosa.
I thought the samosas were delicious, absolutely fantastic. Quite fatty, but crunchy and delicious. The whole thing's really beautiful to eat. I think the red team have done a great job on that.
Really like this dish. Great components all around. That mint chutney, it just keeps going in my mouth at the moment. It's quite gorgeous.
It was actually my favourite dish so far. I liked it. I like the mint chutney.
Great modern rendition, you know, turn on its head.